Target family, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing 100 items to keep your eyes open for at Dollar Tree right now. I have never done a list this long, so let's get started. The number one item I think you guys should keep your eyes open for right now at Dollar Tree are pillowcases, Christmas pillowcases. They have 4 different kinds to choose from: gingerbread, candy cane, truck, and Christmas tree theme. They have a burlap material. I'm telling you, you are not going to find pillowcases at $1.25 that look this good. Next up, hanging silhouette tree lights. They had 4 different ones that I saw: a snowflake, star, snowman, and a Christmas tree. These are awesome. They almost look like neon lights. They're meant to be hung on your Christmas tree, but you most definitely can hang this on a mirror, on a window, and what I love is that they're battery operated. So if you don't want to have a cord hanging by somewhere, or you just don't have an outlet nearby, these are great. Dollar Tree has been stepping up their game in the lantern department. They have these gorgeous mini lanterns right now, and I love the way that they already look. Lots of times they come with just a plain plastic color, but because they added this speckle, it gives it a beautiful rustic look. If you're looking for a really inexpensive accent rug, look at Dollar Tree. They have 4 different ones to choose from. They have this beautiful North Pole Tree Farm one, and then the Santa Claus one is the 2 that I prefer. Now, Dollar Tree carries rug grips. I recommend buying those and placing them on the back of this, just gluing it into place, because without that, these do slip around real easily. I'm going to be a little bit more specific with this list. For instance, Dollar Tree carries a bunch of hanging decor signs that are gorgeous, but some of them I would skip out on. I'm going to share with you guys which ones are my favorite. For instance, these right now. These are hands down my favorite ones. They have this wood bead look on them. There's 3 different kinds to choose from, and I recommend all 3. There's a gingerbread sign, a Christmas tree farm sign, and a toy workshop and gift sign. This reminds me of something I could buy at Kirkland's for way more. These are some of my favorite signs at Dollar Tree too. They are farms. There's 3 different ones to choose from, but I don't recommend all 3. I do recommend these 2. The white one that says Merry and Bright, and then the red one that says Merry Christmas. They have these smaller signs that you can turn into tabletop decor pieces, or pieces that can go inside of a bigger tier tray. They have 3 different ones to choose from, but the 2 that are my favorite is this one that says Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas, and this one that says Merry and Bright. And what I really like about these is the picture frame. I love that there is this faux wood look around there, and I wish that Dollar Tree, especially their bigger signs, had more of this on them. These 2 gorgeous signs from Dollar Tree right now that I really like: Farm Fresh Christmas trees and the Reindeer Farm. These are gorgeous, but with a wooden frame around them, it's just going to take it up that notch. These are some smaller signs I recommend keeping your eyes open for. These really pretty tags. 3 different ones to choose from, but I like this Be Merry one and then this Joy one. You can put this just as a piece of decor like that right on top of a mantle, or you can actually use this on a Christmas gift. I got a few more signs for you guys to keep your eyes open for. I love this hot cocoa one. I really love the look of it. It doesn't look cheap. Then these 2 I like a lot. They do have larger ones, but I like these ones more than the larger ones. It's this Santa Claus and this snowman. I just really like the way that they look, and it's another piece where instead of putting it on the wall, you can just place it on top of a mantle, and it looks really, really nice. Make sure you're going to the Craft Your Square section, because they have these DIY signs, but in colors now. Usually they have that unfinished wood color. Right now they have them in white and then this really pretty dark brown color. In the Craft Your Square section, you're also going to find wood bead wreaths. I have never seen a wood bead wreath for $1.25. Look at this. Now it's a little bit bent out of shape because my son got a hold of it and he was messing around with this. However, I have bought wreaths like this before and never that cheap. In the electronics section of Dollar Tree, they are carrying these disco lights. Don't let the size fool you, or the fact that they are at Dollar Tree. They give off a great glow. I think these are really cool to have, especially during Christmas when you have so many lights everywhere inside of your house. Don't skip out on the bathroom section of Dollar Tree. They even have some Christmas items there. This one I actually bought last year. It is this gingerbread man soap. They have a Christmas tree one in, and I think Santa Claus is new this year. There's also a snowman, but these 3 are the ones that I recommend. I would say for about the past 3 years, Dollar Tree has gotten in these LED projector lights. They got new images in this year, as well as some of their old ones. These are the 4 that I really do like. This one is a snowman. Then there is a rain reindeer one, a truck one, and then this one is probably my favorite this year. It's this Merry Christmas one that has Santa Claus, an elf, and a Christmas tree. If you're anything like me, you shop at Dollar Tree a lot. Do not throw your Dollar Tree receipts away, or any of your receipts for that matter. This video is sponsored by Fetch Rewards. You can take your receipts and for free get rewards back. You guys need to download the Fetch app. It's an easy to use, totally free app where you earn free rewards on anything you buy. Fetch works with literally any retail receipt from anywhere. E-receipt, physical receipts, you can redeem for any shopping that you do, whether it's for fun, hobbies, or necessities. Even if you have receipts that are up to 2 weeks old, you can scan them and start earning points. You can truly scan any receipt in a matter of seconds. It's so easy. You tend to go to craft stores like I do, for instance, Michael's, Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, Jo-Ann Fabrics, scan those receipts. You go to the grocery store, scan those receipts. You can start redeeming points at 5,000 points. It's a simple process. Your rewards then turn into gift cards. You love to go into Target, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Home Goods as much as me? You can redeem your points for gift cards at these stores. They even have special offers where you get even more points for buying from specific brands. If you would like to try Fetch Rewards for yourself, remember it's totally free. Check out the link in the description. Use the code Bethany and get 5,000 points when you scan your first receipt. Fetch Rewards is truly amazing, and thanks for sponsoring this video. Every year Dollar Tree gets tinsel decorations in, but the two that you can buy right now that are my favorites are the toy soldiers. They have these every single year, and then new this year are these gingerbread men that are so cute. I have used these before to make outside decor. Well, not this one, but the toy soldier. You attach it with some zip ties to some candy canes from Dollar Tree, and you have instant outside decor. Speaking of the Dollar Tree candy canes, those are on my list. Keep your eyes open for those, and I have seen they got light up ones in this year. I just haven't seen them in stores. There's new mugs at Dollar Tree, but my favorite one this year is this hot cocoa served here. This one's really pretty. If you have one of those mug racks, if you put in your hot cocoa bar, it would look so nice. I actually used this to make candles this year. You can use these for candles, and it just looks so cute. Let's talk about some of the must-buy Christmas Dollar Tree staples. These are items they have every single year that I highly recommend getting at Dollar Tree, and they are just my favorite items. Probably the top item that is just my favorite are the Christmas trees from Dollar Tree, both the green and the white trees. And I really like the white ones because they are great for spray painting. If you want to go with a different color like pink and do a sweets theme, this is great for that. After the Dollar Tree Christmas trees, my next Christmas staple to get at Dollar Tree are pool noodles. If there's one video that my channel is known for during the Christmas season, it is pool noodle crafts. I love the Dollar Tree pool noodles for crafting. I have done lollipops. I've done so many things. We talked about the Dollar Tree Christmas trees, the pool noodles. What is going to round out my top 3 Christmas staples from Dollar Tree? It is their placemats. You don't have to use them for what they are intended for. I have used these to make throw pillows in the past before. Really pretty throw pillows. I have even used them to make a throw blanket. You can do so many things with these, and they come in such pretty designs. A must-buy DIY wood blank piece from Dollar Tree are the gingerbread men. I love these gingerbread men. I find myself buying some every single year. If you're looking for basic ornaments, especially ones for crafting, go to Dollar Tree. The price cannot be beat. Right here, $1.25 for ornaments that I could use in my Christmas tree or to make something like a wreath that you see behind me. These were made with Dollar Tree ornaments. Highly recommend going to them for your crafting ornaments. Their mini Christmas tree ornaments are great as well for crafting. I do have a few of these thrown inside of this wreath. It makes a great filler. Another Dollar Tree staple I really recommend are the elves from Dollar Tree. You can customize these with a child's name, and they are great. Pair them with the fake security cameras from Dollar Tree. You put Santa Cam on there, you give it with the elf, and during the month of December, you tell them Santa's watching you. I just think that these are really good, especially for gift giving. The doll houses from Dollar Tree. These are great to make gingerbread houses out of. I have done that on my channel. I've used a single one before. I have used multiple ones to make a bigger unit. These are great for that. Keep your eyes open for the jumbo ornaments at Dollar Tree. These can get really expensive at other stores, so I do recommend getting them from Dollar Tree, especially if you need bigger ones to fill spaces throughout your home. Dollar Tree always gets Christmas foam sheet shapes in. However, my favorite are the gingerbread men. You get 12 for $1.25. Use some puff paint on these and you can place these all over your wall or inside of your Christmas tree. If you're not familiar with my channel, I love to make fake sweets on this channel, especially during Christmas time. And I love to get glass mugs from Dollar Tree for these DIYs. In particular, these two are my favorite. I love this one. This one is great for the hot cocoa look. You pair these with some toppers or you paint the inside to look like hot cocoa. These are awesome. If there's one item from the Crafter Square section that I love for Christmas DIY, it is the wood crates, specifically the ones that don't have the wooden slats. I have used these for so many DIYs during Christmas on this channel, but my favorite is my hot cocoa bar, and I really recommend these. Even if you're just gonna buy one of these painted, put some hot chocolate items inside of there, it's like a great gift. Or you can use this, flip it over to create some fake books. This is an awesome buy. This is another item that Dollar Tree gets in every single year, and every single year it is worth the price. Nutcrackers from Dollar Tree. Now, if they're not the color that you like, you can always paint these to be the color that you like. Another tinsel item Dollar Tree gets in every single year are the Christmas trees. My favorite one is the gingham black and white style Christmas tree. This one is so nice, especially if you do the farmhouse type of Christmas decor look for real desserts or fake desserts. These ceramic dishes from Dollar Tree I think are great buys. There's a smaller one that's kind of like a dessert dish, and then this mini loaf one. Of course, I'm going to use these to make some fake sweets. Just like the foam sheet shapes, they always get some felt shapes in. My favorite are the gingerbread men for the felt shapes. I have used two of these in the past to create a pillow, and they are so adorable. These are hands down my favorite felt pieces from Dollar Tree. Every single year, Dollar Tree gets ornaments in, and lots of times they have ones that we've seen in the past, and then they get new ones in. So I'm gonna share with you guys my favorite ones that you can find right now, because some of them I actually don't like, and some of them I think they're cute, but I don't think they're the best of the best. I really like these little Christmas sacks. There's 4 different ones to choose from. I only saw 3 of them. However, all 4 designs I really do like. I found these metal tags, 3 different ones. I don't really like the reindeer one, but I really like these 2 Farm Fresh Christmas tree ones. They have different packs of clay ornaments in, 2 for $1.25. My favorite one, hands down, is the gingerbread one that comes with a candy cane. I really like this fluffy white wreath. I think this would look really pretty in a woodland themed Christmas tree or a winter wonderland or inside of a tier tray. They got a bunch of galvanized metal looking ornaments in. This one is my favorite though, the star with this really pretty gingham bow. In the Crafter Square section, you can find some DIY ornaments that are like a ceramic material, and these are really nice. They look way more high-end than they actually are. If you own a Cricut, you can go ahead and just use your vinyl on top of this, or you can always take a paint pen to this if you want to. Every single year, Dollar Tree gets clear ornaments in, and I noticed they're getting bigger and bigger and bigger. They still got the small sizes, but look at this jumbo one, a jumbo clear ornament. Oh, this is going to be great for different DIY projects or in a Christmas tree. If you have a really big one and you want to do a bunch of clear ornaments, I love their snowflake ornaments. They have ones that come in a 10-pack, a 5-pack, multiple sizes. This year they got this jumbo one. These are gorgeous, especially if you hang them from the ceiling or you use command strips to put them on your wall. Absolutely gorgeous. Dollar Tree bottle brush trees are always a steal. My favorite one is the flocked bottle brush tree. I actually bought these in bulk from Dollar Tree's website last year. I did a woodland theme. These were everywhere and they are just so pretty. Some other bottle brush trees to keep your eyes open for, you're gonna find in the mini Christmas Village section of Dollar Tree. They have these pink and mint color trees. They are so pretty, and then the bottom of them are peppermint. I've never seen anything like this at Dollar Tree before. Speaking of the mini Christmas Village, they have so many different pieces to choose from right now. So many houses that come in a plastic or ceramic material. However, these 3 are my top 3 favorites, and they're all gingerbread houses. I got this red and brown gingerbread house. I think these are so pretty, and you just put batteries down there, they glow. And then this cobblestone sweets and treats. This one already comes with batteries inside of it. For the Christmas Village, you can always find a bunch of mini accessories that pair well with the houses. My favorite though is this little sign. This is so cute. It says welcome to Cobblestone Corner, and it glows. So it's just like a little sign that glows. I love this. These pieces you're not going to find near the Village items, but they do pair well with that. It's this little camper and a red truck from Dollar Tree. Again, they're just a white light. Get your window clings from Dollar Tree and don't just use them on your windows. You can use them to make ornaments out of, or you can put them on top of a vase. And right now they have these really cute gingerbread ones. These are new to Dollar Tree, these DIY ornaments. These are going to be great for DIYing. Dollar Tree has a big selection of bows. However, if I'm going to tell you my favorite bows, it's going to be the velvet suede looking bows. And then this year, this is the first time I've seen them, tinsel bows. I actually have one right there on that gingerbread man. If you want to know how I did that, it's not Dollar Tree. Check out my Instagram account. This is actually an outdoor decor piece. The garland from Dollar Tree. It's great for DIYing. This garland, I'm not going to say I think it looks the most realistic. It does look a bit fake, but it's great for filler or in a craft. Dollar Tree always gets a bunch of Christmas floral in. They always have poinsettias, and I really like the Dollar Tree poinsettias. And then I like these picks from Dollar Tree, specifically the mini pine picks. I feel like these look a little bit more realistic and have a nice color to them. Every year Dollar Tree gets Christmas plushies in, some stuff we've seen before, and new items. My favorite though, beside the elf, which they get in every single year, this is new, the gingerbread man. I think he is so cute, and you don't have to just use him as a gift that you give to somebody. Use it in a Christmas tree. Use it as an ornament. Just place it inside of the tree and you're good to go. The mini wreaths from Dollar Tree I think are a great buy. Buy one of their hurricane vases, place it inside of this. You got an instant high-end looking piece. Dollar Tree has silicone ice molds, a bunch of different ones. My favorite one is the candy one. It has a candy cane shape and then just a regular candy. You can use this for crafting instead of just for ice. If you want to make some wax melts, you can do that. Melt down some wax from Dollar Tree, pour it inside of a silicone mold, wait for it to harden, pop it out, and then just put it on top of a wax warmer. Speaking of the mini trees from Dollar Tree, you might need a mini skirt. They have a bunch of different ones to choose from, but this one is my favorite. It's the Farm Fresh Christmas tree one. It's hard to find decorative Christmas bells for around $1, and Dollar Tree has a great selection of them. You're doing yourself a disservice if you are not buying your gift tags and gift bags at Dollar Tree. You are not going to find such nice gift bags for $1.25 elsewhere. Sometimes you find 99-cent ones at Walmart or Target. They're on the smaller side. They are not as nice. You can get huge jumbo bags at Dollar Tree. I bought this ornament in the past. I don't have it on hand, but the clear reindeer ornaments from Dollar Tree, those are gorgeous. You can find them in bulk on Dollar Tree's website. I have seen people spray paint these. You get just these beautiful pieces for an inexpensive price. And my final 100 item to keep your eyes open for at Dollar Tree are these mercury glass looking Christmas trees. These are so nice. This is so nice for $1.25. They're actually right there. I don't know if you can see them. Gold and red ones. I think they're so nice. That's it for these 100 items to keep your eyes open for at Dollar Tree right now. Let me know down in the comments below, are you super excited for Christmas? I am. Christmas comes, it's over, and I'm already waiting for it to come around again. I am such a Christmas fanatic. Thanks again to Fetch for sponsoring this video. Make sure you check them out. It's a really, really cool app, and I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.